Welcome to Luxury Lane Motors. The MG Cyberster 2025 is set to redefine the electric sports car segment with its breathtaking design, high-performance capability and cutting-edge technology. As MG's first all-electric roadster, the Cyberster brings together the brand's rich heritage of classic convertibles and the latest advancements in EV technology with a futuristic design, blistering acceleration and an immersive driving experience. This car is a game-changer for those who crave speed, innovation and open-top motoring. Designed for the modern era, the Cyberster is more than just a car, it's a statement of performance, luxury and technological excellence. From the moment you lay eyes on the MG Cyberster, its striking and aerodynamic silhouette captures attention. The low-slung stance, sculpted body lines and aggressive front fascia give it a commanding presence on the road. The signature LED headlights, inspired by MG's classic sports cars, seamlessly blend modern aesthetics with heritage. The illuminated MG logo on the front adds to the futuristic appeal, making it instantly recognizable. The Cyberster's most exciting feature is its Scissor doors, a bold addition that enhances its supercar-like presence and makes every entry and exit an event. The retractable soft-top roof allows drivers to enjoy the thrill of open-air driving at the push of a button, further amplifying the Roadster's charm. The rear of the car is equally stunning, featuring sleek LED tail lights, a sporty diffuser and a dynamic light bar that stretches across the width of the car, giving it a truly distinctive look. Step inside and you are welcomed by a cockpit that is as futuristic as it is driver-focused. The cabin is wrapped in premium materials with leather and Alcantara finishes, giving it a luxurious feel. The driver's seat is designed for performance, featuring bolstered support to keep you in place during spirited drives. The all-digital curved instrument cluster seamlessly integrates with the massive touchscreen infotainment system, providing a high-tech experience at your fingertips. The user interface is intuitive with seamless access to navigation, climate controls, entertainment and vehicle settings. Voice control and AI-powered assistance further enhance the experience, ensuring minimal distraction while driving. The flat-bottom steering wheel with haptic controls adds a sporty touch, giving the driver precise control over the car's functions. The ambient lighting system, customizable to different colors and moods, creates a personalized atmosphere inside the cabin, enhancing the Cyberster's futuristic appeal. Underneath its sleek design, the MG Cyberster packs an electrifying performance that rivals traditional combustion engine sports cars. Equipped with a powerful dual-motor all-wheel drive system, the Cyberster delivers instant torque and mind-blowing acceleration. The car is expected to sprint from 0 to 100 km/h in under 3 seconds, making it one of the fastest electric roadsters in its class. The high-capacity battery pack provides an impressive range of up to 500 km on a single charge, ensuring long-distance capabilities without compromising performance. The car supports ultra-fast DC charging, allowing it to charge from 10% to 80% in under 30 minutes, making it practical for both daily use and thrilling weekend drives. The advanced battery management system ensures optimal efficiency and longevity, while the liquid cooling technology prevents overheating even during high-performance driving. The Cyberster also offers multiple driving modes, including Eco, Comfort, Sport and Track, allowing drivers to tailor their experience based on their preferences and road conditions. One of the standout features of the MG Cyberster is its precision-engineered handling and suspension system, designed for an engaging and responsive drive. The car features an adaptive suspension that adjusts in real time based on road conditions and driving style. The lightweight chassis, built using advanced materials, enhances agility while maintaining structural rigidity. The Cyberster's aerodynamics have been fine-tuned to maximize stability and downforce, ensuring exceptional cornering performance at high speeds. The regenerative braking system not only improves efficiency but also enhances control, making every drive more exhilarating. Whether you're carving through winding roads or cruising on the highway, the Cyberster delivers a smooth yet dynamic ride that keeps the driver connected to the road. Technology plays a major role in elevating the MG Cyberster's appeal. The car is packed with smart features that enhance convenience, safety and driving pleasure. The augmented reality head-up display projects essential information onto the windshield, providing real-time navigation, speed data and driver assistance alerts without taking your eyes off the road. The Cyberster is also equipped with an advanced driver assistance system, ADAS, that includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking and traffic sign recognition. These intelligent safety features ensure ensure maximum protection while making long drives more relaxed and stress-free. The 360-degree camera system provides a bird's-eye view of the surroundings, making parking and maneuvering effortless. Additionally, the Cyberster features over-the-air OTA software updates, ensuring that the car remains up to date with the latest performance enhancements and features without needing a visit to the service center. For those who love entertainment on the go, the MG Cyberster comes equipped with a premium surround sound system, delivering crystal clear audio quality for an immersive experience. Whether you're listening to your favorite music, enjoying a podcast, or taking calls hands-free, the high-fidelity speakers ensure exceptional sound clarity. The infotainment system supports seamless smartphone integration, allowing access to apps, navigation, and voice commands effortlessly. The wireless charging pad and multiple USB-C ports keep all your devices powered, ensuring you stay connected wherever you go. The Cyberster also includes customizable user profiles, allowing different drivers to save their preferred settings for seats, climate, infotainment, and driving modes. Sustainability is at the core of the MG Cyberster's design, making it an environmentally responsible choice without compromising performance. The car is built using eco-friendly materials, and MG has incorporated sustainable manufacturing practices to minimize its carbon footprint. The regenerative braking system contributes to energy efficiency, while the aerodynamic design reduces drag and enhances battery range. By choosing the Cyberster, drivers are not only embracing cutting-edge performance but also supporting the global transition towards cleaner mobility. In terms of pricing and availability, the MG Cyberster is expected to be positioned competitively in the premium electric sports car segment. While official pricing details are yet to be announced, industry experts predict that the car will be available at a starting price of around 50 to 60 Indian rupees lakh, making it an attractive alternative to traditional high-performance sports cars. The global launch is anticipated in late 2025, with initial deliveries expected in key markets across Europe, China, and select regions in Asia. Enthusiasts and potential buyers can expect pre-bookings to open soon, with MG offering a range of customization options, including different exterior color choices, interior trims, and performance upgrades. The MG Cyberster is more than just an electric car, it's a bold step into the future of performance motoring. With its stunning design, thrilling acceleration, long-range capability, and state-of-the-art technology, the Cyberster is a dream car for those who seek the perfect blend of excitement and sustainability. Whether you're a driving enthusiast looking for adrenaline-pumping performance or someone who appreciates luxury and innovation, this electric roadster is designed to exceed expectations. As the automotive world shifts towards electrification, the MG Cyberster stands as a symbol of how electric vehicles can be just as thrilling, if not more, than their gasoline-powered counterparts. Get ready to experience the future of sports cars with the MG Cyberster, a vehicle that promises to turn heads, break speed records, and redefine what it means to drive electric. Stay tuned for more updates and an in-depth look at this revolutionary EV.